Hello guys, welcome again to another video. So guys, this week has been a very good week for me, and I believe it has also been a very good week for everyone else who has been working on UHRS for the past 1 week. Okay, because there are so many hits that are available right now. Like now in my dashboard I have like 31 hits jobs, and the hit with the highest Hitapp is such satisfaction. And yes guys, we have a qualification video for this one. So if you come to our website, on our YouTube channel, you can, if you scroll down, you'll get the search satisfaction video here. So just watch it, then go qualify for that Hitapp and start doing it. Okay, and also you can also get that video on our website here. So just come to our website, you'll get the link of the website in the description below, and just search for it here, or go to UHRS qualification tutorials, then search for that video. Okay, and qualify for it and start doing it. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to show you how to do describe intent for the query, this one. And I was surprised when someone from our Telegram group just inboxed me and told me that she was having a problem doing this. Okay, and yes guys, we have a Telegram group. In case you are new in this, you're watching this for the first time, so you'll get the link for the Telegram group in the description below also. So in this group, we will be informing you on new hits that are available, and also in case you have any questions that you want to be addressed or to be helped on, just type it in the group and you will be helped from the other members and other admins. Okay, so join the team, use the link in the description and join the Telegram group. So with all that guys, let's qualify. Let's do this. It's not a qualification video, but I'll just show you how to do it. Describe the intent for the query. So this is one of the easiest and high paying Hitapps that are available on UHRS. And even if you create your account today, when you log in, you just get it at start. It will just tell you to start working after going through the guideline, and the guideline is a one-page guideline guys. So this is one of the easiest. This is the guideline only. This one can't even take you like 20 minutes to read. So let's start doing it. Okay, so guys, this is one of the Hitapp that you'll have to use your common sense to do. Okay, sorry for saying that, but this Hitapp require you to use your common sense and also do your online research, side research. So for like this one, we've been asked here that daintiness, this one, don't know what that means. So what you do, you need to search it on Google for you to know more about what the user was trying to look for. So for like this one, meaning is the English. Okay, so already I've already known what the user was trying to do. The user was trying to know the meaning of this word here. So that's what you come here and write. So when you so since this Hitapp doesn't have any qualification video, they're saying that all results will be carefully reviewed. Typing to cheat, spam, or copy directly from the search engine result will get you permanently banned from UHRS. High quality judgment will receive a bonus. So if you judge these queries correctly, you'll get a bonus, and the bonus is usually again about 50 cents for every query that you judge correctly. Okay, so when you check this side here, when just click on here, when you want to type, they'll give you some examples on how to reply to these queries. So for like this one, Here they're saying this is the query, new FRR. So they are saying the query is looking for the newest version of the Toyota model, that one. So here they are asking, describe the few sentences in English what the most likely intent of the query is. So come here. So you can take any guideline from this side, any way to respond to this query. So like this one, I'll come here and say, let me check again. This guy was looking for the meaning of this word, so I'll come here and say, they're asking what's the most likely intent of the query is. So I'll come here and say the most likely intent of this query is to know the meaning of the word daintiness. Then you come here and say the meaning. So open it in the new tab. Let's see the meaning of that word. Okay. The query being small. Okay. The small body. Okay. That doesn't show me the meaning, so so the meaning of this is the quality of being beautiful and delicate in appearance. So you come and write that determinant, which mean the quality of being what? Let's check again. Of being beautiful and delicate. Of being beautiful and delicate. And delicate in appearance. Delicate in appearance. Okay. Full stop. Then they are asking the next question, what type of result will be useful here? So when you click there, also they have given you some example on how you can answer this question correctly. But just from your English, you can just even start what type of result will be useful. So you can just start the most useful result here will be. So after doing our research, what did we get? We got Cambridge English Dictionary. So we got the result from a dictionary meaning. Okay, so will be a result fully explain meaning of the word daintiness from an English English dictionary, just like that, guys. Then they are asking, is the location from where the query was sent important to the expected result? No, you just come and click on no, then you submit, and yes, guys, just like that, and you go to the next one. So I think you've seen how this is so easy, and it also depend on your typing speed. So if you have a high typing speed, then these are some of the hit-up that you can work on and get high pay, because even the pay is so high, 10 cents per hit. Let me just show you. So guys, in case you haven't subscribed for this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time that I upload new hit-ups. Look at this, 10 cents per hit-up, guys. And it's so easy. You just use your common sense and just type whatever you've seen on the internet, but don't copy it directly, because they've said if you copy it directly, your account can also be banned. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.